In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add frame on CapCut. If you want your video to look cleaner, more stylish, or simply stand out with a polished border, adding a frame is one of the fastest ways to do it. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and share a few practical tips along the way so you get a result that matches your style. Start by opening CapCut. Give it a moment to load into the editor. Once you're in the workspace, make sure you're looking at the timeline area where you can see your clips and tools. If a project is already open, you're good to go. Now add your video. Bring your clip into the timeline so you can see the preview on the canvas. Make sure the video fits your chosen aspect ratio. If you're creating for vertical platforms, use a vertical canvas, and if you're working on a landscape project, keep it in widescreen. A frame will sit on top of whatever you see here, so it's helpful to position or scale your clip the way you like before applying the effect. Next, click on Effects. You'll usually find this on the left side or above the timeline, depending on your layout. Inside the Effects panel, confirm you're in the Video Effects section so the frame overlays apply to the entire shot, not just a portion of the subject. This makes it easy to add borders that wrap around your whole video. In the search bar within Effects, type Frame. This filters the library so you only see relevant options. You'll notice a range of styles: clean borders, cinematic mattes, retro frames, and more. Hover over or click a style to preview how it looks in the viewer. Think about your content's tone: minimal borders for a professional feel, thicker or stylized frames for a playful or vintage vibe. Choose a frame you like and apply it to your clip. Once it's on the timeline, you can usually adjust how long it stays on by dragging the ends of the effect layer to match your video's duration. Many frames include settings for thickness, opacity, color, or glow. Use those controls to fine-tune the look so it complements your footage instead of overpowering it. If the edges crop important details, slightly reposition or scale your video until the subject sits comfortably inside the border. Give it a quick playthrough to check for consistency from start to finish. If it feels too heavy, dial back intensity. If it's too subtle, bump it up. And that's it. Open CapCut, add your video, go to Effects, search for Frame, and choose the style that fits your project. Enjoy elevating your edits with a clean, eye-catching border.